Welcome to today's tutorial on the ObejorDev platform, where I'll be putting you through on what our Obejor website entails, what you can find on the ObejorDev website, and every other necessary information you need to know. Also, please do not forget to like, comment, and share, and also please click on the subscribe button so that anytime we come online, you'll be notified. Please follow me. Thank you. So you type into the website, ObejorDev website, www.obejordev.com. So as you can see, this is the ObejorDev website. You can see it's quite enlightening and educative. You can go through it. You can be able to see everything that it entails from one level to the other. You can see everything that is available. You can see the point of sale system. You can see the smart CRM solutions and also the business automations. You can see the Stocksavi inventory system, all in one tools to run and grow your business. Everything you can find that is very important to your business are all on the ObejorDev platform. So quickly, let's go to our other products that you can find on the ObejorDev platform, which you scroll down. So all our products include the Stocksavi, which is the inventory and POS system. Keeps you updated on your daily stock activities via your business. Also, you can find the school management system, which can be used by your school to keep record of your students, your classes and attendance in one place. Also, the teachers and parents communication workflows. Also, the hospital management system, which keeps the patients abreast of every information they need to know concerning their health, just at the convenience of their house. So today we'll be looking at the Stocksavi system, which is the inventory management system. So you click on it, and under that Stocksavi, the inventory management system, you can see the plan features, access essential POS functions including secure transactions. You have access to silver inventory management, also the gold management system, which is definitely included in our basic silver and gold monthly payment plan. Also, you have the platinum, the elite, and also the diamond. Everything, whichever one suits your business, all are available on the Stocksavi inventory management system. And also, you can also become a reseller of the stock management of the Stocksavi inventory management system, and you can continue to enjoy every benefit attached to using the Stocksavi. So we'll just, for this tutorial, we'll be using a demo so you can have a proper understanding of what it entails. So we'll click on the start demo. We'll wait for it to load. Please, like I said before, do not forget to like, comment, and share, and also click on the notification button so that anytime you come online, you'll be notified. So this is what the face front of the store will look like for now, until when we input the necessary username and the password. Like I said, we're using the demo platform, so you copy the URL from here, which is what you paste in this place. So it takes us to that, your own personal URL. Also, you copy the username. So paste the username here. You have the username there, and also copy your password. And click on sign in. On the login, it brings us to this page. This is our initial page, since we're using a demo account, like I said before. So we'll come to the default setting. You can see everything you can find here, but for sake of time, we'll come to the default setting where we can register our store. Click on default setting. So here you have the company name and everything that you need to enter. So what you can use for this tutorial, I'll be using Fishbone accessories. Fishbone accessories. You have your default email, your email address, you enter it, your phone number, you enter it accordingly, and if you have alternative phones, you also enter that. The currency you are using, if you are selling in Naira, you can leave it at Naira. If you are selling in dollars, you can also enter that according to whatever suits your business. You see here you have Euro, you have Naira, you have rupees, you have yen. Whichever one suits your business is what you can use in that place. So fill the country where your business is located, the state, the city, and the address also of your business for those that want to come and view your business. Also, you have the opportunity to select the closing time of your business. So for this, I'll be using 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock as the closing time of a business, because that's when business closes here. You can use 6 o'clock. Also, you have where you can put your logo of your business here. By just clicking on this picture here, you'll be able to change the logo and put whatever suits you. So after that, you click on save settings. So the business name has been changed. If you come here now, you see it, Fishbone accessories. You understand? So you can now begin to put in every other thing you want to put in your business, in your store, on the store front. So anybody that comes online will be able to see everything you want to, everything you're transacting. Please, like I said before, do not forget to like, comment, and share, and also click on the subscribe button so that whenever it is we come online, you'll be notified. Have a good day. Thank you.